Hello dear friends, today I informed you how to create WhatsApp channel. So open WhatsApp, go to updates and click on plus button and select create channel option. So dear friends, please like and share the video and subscribe me for more useful videos. Now click on continue. Write your channel name from here. Now click on create channel option. Now your channel has been created. Now click on three dot option and select channel info option. You can also delete your channel from here. Now click on your channel profile name, go to three dot option and select edit. You can to edit your channel name from here.